Hi! So it is 9 a.m. on Monday morning, and I thought it'd be a good idea to show you guys kind of what we do all week.
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
So the girls are doing their little checklist of everything they're supposed to do after breakfast. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, go. Did you mark it off the list? Go do the next thing on the list. They have certain things they have to get done after breakfast recently. Monday usually consists of me cleaning up from the weekend and accomplishing some things on my to-do list. I try not to plan anything for Mondays, so I can get a lot of stuff done here and set us up for a successful week. Right? I just wanted to say something that's a little crazy. For the past 3 weeks, like, you guys have no idea, like, how messy my house would get. Like, I would never want anybody in the world to see the conditions it would get in. I mean, it would be so bad sometimes. So on Mondays, my house is usually, that's when it's the messiest, because Jacob and I don't really clean on the weekends. We focus on other things and projects and to-do lists and all that. 3 weeks ago, something just kind of clicked, and I just started getting this motivation to keep my house clean, and it hasn't stopped, and I don't think it's going to. At least I hope it doesn't. But today it is a disaster. Jacob and I had so many projects that we were doing that I did not make time for cleaning. But even though that happened, my house is never my house is still not as messy as it usually would be on a Monday morning. Usually Mondays are so overwhelming because I have so much to clean. I don't like it. Did you do it? Okay, now go. Did you mark that off the list?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go show them what else you have to do, okay? What would I look like with blonde hair?
Well,
Not cute. Do I look like Bo? So this is a new wall that I have created, and I'm obsessed with it. Anytime I think of something that I need to do, I'll write it on this list.
Hence the term to-do list. Durr.
And then, obviously that's pretty self-explanatory. And then this is the girls' to-do list that they have to do after breakfast and dinner. So you can see Bo has been checking off what she's already done. Brush her teeth, get dressed, put her clothes in the hamper. And now it's clean up toys time, which I usually always have to help because they just struggle with that part. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with my new little wall. It's so great. So, my room is a mess, and I think about old times 3 weeks ago, and I can't even believe how messy I used to let my room get. This is bad. It used to get worse. I cannot even explain how totally excited I am that it's warm weather. The girls are outside playing right now. Winter is tough, guys, because they go outside a lot less. And now that they can just go outside and have a good time. Do you guys have like a pile of cords that are just always in a knot? I need to undo these, but these are cords that I don't ever need, so. Ready? Get your mitt up. Woo! Okay. You gotta pay attention where you're throwing it. Don't look at the camera while you're throwing. Look at Go. Poor cat. Ready, go! That was great, girls. Ready, go. Good job, honey. Guys, it is gorgeous outside. I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. It's so great. Okay, played outside with them for a minute, and now I'm gonna clean up the rest of the house. I did my room. Pro tip for everyone. If you are having a little bit of trouble motivating, because this morning I really just wanted to play with the girls instead of clean. Oh, sorry. Instead of clean. If you set a timer for 60 minutes and then just try and clean before that timer is up, that is a little power hour and you can get all your stuff done within the hour, and it's like a challenge against the clock. Mom, if you are watching this, don't let me forget to give you the green iPad. It's garbage. It's old and it doesn't do anything, and I don't even have the charger for it, and even at that, the charger doesn't even work, so it's just laying around my house, and instead of just getting rid of it, it's yours, so I'm gonna give it back. Don't let me forget. Have I mentioned lately how much I love living out here? I don't think I have, because I absolutely love it. It is just, first of all, gorgeous. Second of all, I can't even believe that right now I am looking at woods and nothing but woods in the back of my house. And the girls, it's just such a fun life for them. It's just wonderful. I love it. So when you have animals, you learn new things all the time. You also wear many hats. And today, I wore the hat of a veterinarian. Who needs to go to school for all those years when we have Google? My chicken has what is called bumblefoot. Look it up if you are that curious. So I had to soak his feet, do some other gross things. Long story short, it's basically an infection in their foot. So he is all bandaged up. I cannot speak right now. He is all bandaged up and getting much needed rest because I'm sure that he's in a lot of pain. So that is a pretty typical Monday for us. Just cleaning up the house, taking care of my animals, and doing some things on my to-do list. My hair usually looks like this at the end of a Monday because I usually have a lot to do. And we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna feed the girls some dinner, put them to bed, and hopefully put them to bed early so I can have some much needed time to myself. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and I'm so sweet. Yeah.
Humbinger's not really nice because he has his young kid and kitties.
Why does that make someone not nice?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh my.
Hi, Satine. Hungry? No way! Hi, everybody. Mom, do you want to be big too? I'm so big, I weigh 40 pounds.
And you don't.
Hey, give me that.
Is your tummy getting full? So the first thing I do in the morning is fold laundry. I don't really have a routine. I don't have like a specific time that I do certain things. But laundry is the one thing that I do first thing without fail. I do not do other things because that is the thing that I struggle with the most of keeping up with. So I found that if I do it first thing in the morning as I'm waiting on my coffee to be made, I don't ever skip it, ever. And then after that, I just kind of like work in everything else that I need to do. I try and get dishes done next, and then work on my other things on my to-do list throughout the day. I've just found that when I try to set a certain time for stuff, like my day can just be so unpredictable. Does anyone else get bothered? She does this all the time. Lily, get out. If I'm ever sitting on the floor, she will come and sit in front of me like that, or stand. Okay, back to what I was saying. Does anyone else get bothered when you're on like a call with a company or something and you say bye and they don't say it back, they just hang up? Oh, that drives me crazy. And I don't know why some people do it. It's not like they're being rude, because the lady I just talked to on the phone was really, really nice and helpful and kind and respectful. And then I say, okay, have a good day, bye. Or whatever. I just say bye. And she doesn't say it back. She just hangs up. I don't know why it drives me crazy. It does. I'm just like, ah! This little baby's tired. She's still sleeping so much. I like to go to sleep about an hour and a half after I wake up. And I like my bed. And I want to go to sleep right now. Do you guys see this bookshelf? It is gorgeous. Did we buy it? No, we didn't. My husband built that. Yeah, he built that because he is very handy and super talented. And I won't go on about the matter or else I will talk about it forever because he is so talented at like freaking everything he does. Something totally cute that my daughter does that both of my other kids didn't do was that when we go in her room for nap time and I'm standing there in front of her crib, maybe trying to rock her or sing her a song, she doesn't want to do that. She starts reaching for her crib and she wants to go in it. She wants to go to sleep. She doesn't want me to sit there and rock her to sleep. She wants to go in her bed. So she will start like reaching for her crib for me to put her in there. So I do just that. Okay, it is 10:15 and I am pretty much done with cleaning for today. So, except my bed, I still need to make that. So, to figure out what else I need to do today, I need to do my nails because they are just horrendous. I need to change the bandages on the rooster's foot. Jacob wants to call him Foghorn. I don't even know what that means. He said it's some cartoon bird. I don't know. But I said he needed a name because we are rehabilitating him and now we have a special bond. So apparently his name is now Foghorn. So I have to change Foghorn. I said such a funny name. I had to change his bandages, and I don't know what else we're doing today. Belle has gymnastics tonight and ballet, so yeah, gotta make my bed now. I did it. The bed is made. I love when my bed is made. It just makes me feel more put together as a human. Whoa. So, I do my own nails. I do not do acrylic because it's too expensive and I don't want to pay that money. So I usually glue on full nails. I have a really good glue that makes them last a good amount of time. Well, I knew this day would come where I have glued my fingers together. I seriously, because I don't want to pull them apart and then rip my skin. I'm not joking. I seriously glued my fingers together. So I got these scissors and I'm going to try and cut my fingers apart.
No! Don't cut it.
Look at that. I cannot. I mean, I could get them apart if I pulled hard enough, but I think that's going to be super painful for me later on.
No.
Because I'm going to be, my skin's just going to rip off. Oh my gosh.
No.
This is just so something I would do. Why? Why do I do stuff like this? I don't know. You might say, Presley, just spend $20 and go do your own nails so you don't have to have trash glue-on nails. But I like nice nails, and that's just not stuff I like to spend my money on. I'm going to try and cut my fingers apart. This is a really, really smart idea. Go very slow. Maybe don't even cut it. Maybe just like, my gosh, I just cannot even believe. I wasn't even gonna film this because I feel like such an idiot, but I can't not.
I can't look.
I can't not film this. This is just too funny.
I can't look.
Okay. I can't even believe this right now. Okay. The key is to not pinch your finger. I don't have much left to go. Just a little piece. Ta-da! I did it! I now have 2 hands again. Oh my gosh, that's my life. Okay, I am finally done with my nails. I decided to get all festive for spring and paint them in like a ladybug pattern. They turned out super cute. Minus me gluing my fingers together.
Watch, this is doing round-offs. That's what they're doing for stories.
Missy, you like the eggs? You like the eggs? You're so cute.
Daddy, I love it.
Pay no attention to my gorgeous hair clips. This is how I dry my hair, so get over it. I'm gonna talk to you like this. Don't judge me. So last night we went to Bo's gymnastics and dance, and I didn't film much there because there's like a ton of people around and oh no, are you okay? There's a ton of people around and it's just a little awkward to be like, hey guys! I'm just sitting here while everyone is quiet, just filming myself. Anyway. You might ask, why did you put makeup on and fix your hair? Do you have somewhere to go? No, I do not have anywhere to go. Sorry. But I do this all the time. I like fixing my hair and putting makeup on, even if I have nowhere to go, because I feel like I feel good. I feel put together. I don't want to be one of those stay-at-home moms who just wears sweatpants. This is probably riveting content. So, I didn't film much at all yesterday because our Wednesdays are a lot like our Mondays, and you guys already saw our Mondays, so it really wasn't a whole lot of interesting things going on. You disagree? You disagree?
I'm a knight. Thank you for my knight.
You're a knight?
Yeah.
Oh!
Just keep falling.
I think your helmet's a little big for you, Miss Knight.
No.
Thursdays is a busy day for us. We have Bo's piano lesson, and then we have her speech therapy. We always get home late, which means I want to have a bunch of my stuff done before we leave. Gotta start doing that. Thursdays is sometimes can be tough.
Okay, on to the bottom, on the near side. Brush the crunches, clean the crunches, shine the crunches, sweep.
So that is an app that I found to help teach kids how to brush their teeth. I always let the girls brush their teeth in the morning and then I brush them at night. But I thought it'd be fun for them to follow along with a cute video on brushing their teeth instead of me just trying to teach them or show them, or them only spending like 5 seconds brushing their teeth. So the app is called like Brush Up or something like that. But it's worked out pretty well and they really like it. It's fun. Okay, getting these chores done early. First of all, do you like my hat? I got it from the Dollar Tree. Don't judge me. I am cheap. Second of all, I wanted to show in action this amazing... Don't you dare poop on me. This amazing feeder that my husband built. So, it has these crossbars, so they stick their head through here, and then the hay comes out right here in these sections, so they have to actually like stick their head up in here to pull out the hay. And then, don't bite me, silly boy. I don't have hay on my fingers. And then I lift it up right here to put my hay bale in. And then they can eat. Here's like a side view of it. Oh my gosh, this stupid post is in the way. Here's a side view of it. So they can eat out of both sides. I am obsessed with this feeder. It is so easy. I love it. And anything that simplifies my life is fan-freaking-tastic. Oh yeah, just go ahead and pee right there. That's real good. Hi guys! Are you happy? Oh, there's the little boy. Hi little boy. He is so... Oh no! He's slipping and sliding everywhere. He is so adorable. I just can't even take it. He is so cute and fun, and he just hops around everywhere. I don't know if I've even shown you guys yet. Okay, we have a baby goat, obviously, and his name is Kid Rock. Haha. My husband comes up with the most clever names, guys. Hi. You are always so nosy. Oh my goodness. Why? You were just always looking for food. Hence, his name is Mooch. Because, obviously, he's just always needing something. You're just always needing something. Huh, Bubby? Huh. Yeah. Look at them! They're so cute. This is Boots. Okay, so let me tell you all their names. We don't have names for these little guys. Boots, Tanner, Jesse, Kika, Giselle, Al. We have, right now, we have 10 goats, guys. That's a lot. 10, that's a lot. So, really quick, wanted to show what we pack for a Thursday outing. I got juices and a cover for Mavis's car seat, just in case she falls asleep, and it's also a cover just in case I need to feed her, and some diapers, their blankets. We also pack a little lunchbox because the girls always get hungry and I don't want to have to spend money, so I got a water bottle to fill up their juice. They got to pick out their snack today and some snacks for Mavis. And I'll probably grab a Diet Dr. Pepper because I have an obsession, and honestly it's a problem and I need to quit because, yeah, I don't need to drink those so much. And I also bring with me a cup. We're here at Bo's piano lesson, and she's doing a good job so far. Sometimes you never know what mood Bo is going to be in, if she's going to be committed to her lesson or if she's going to be just wanting it to be over. I love her teacher. She's so good. So Thursdays are definitely a task, but it's also kind of a blessing too, because at both of the things that Bo is involved in on Thursdays, I just basically sit here and wait for her to be done. So it's pretty nice, but it's also a little bit of work. So I wouldn't call myself the best parker, but I at least try to do my best, and if it's pretty bad, like, I'll fix it. If I'm in the lines, I'm good. Well, I didn't even look. I just got out of the car and I walked inside the building and I parked like the people I get angry at. The people who take up 2 parking spaces. I cannot stand it. I think it's so rude. And today, I was that rude person. I'm sorry to anyone who was affected by my poor choices. I cannot even believe I did that. I didn't even look. I just got out of the car and walked inside. Oh my gosh. Such a jerk. So, we are done with piano lesson. We are done with speech. And now we're going to go back home and pick up and get ready to have an organized evening, because that is my goal. I feel like you should always have a goal in life that you're trying to reach. And now that I'm starting to get better about the house, I've said it 1,000 times, I know, I'm gonna start working on my ability to have an organized evening that is not full of chaos and running around and getting the girls down to bed at a crazy routine. So, okay. with a proper goodbye to everyone. And per usual, my hair is crazy. This is what postpartum hair looks like, ladies and gentlemen. And it's not gonna grow out for like a year. Anyway, that is what we do in a week. Pretty typical. So if you ever sit at home wondering, it's a Monday, I wonder what Presley's doing today, just go back and watch this video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'm gonna try and be more active on this channel, that's what you want to call it. I'm not a YouTuber, but I do like to make videos for my memories, so I'm gonna try and upload more, but who knows, I'm a busy person. So I'll see you guys later.